Dandelion, maple. Now move to the next question. Name the parts of a fleshy fruit. Raise your hand. Hmm. Rashid Ali. This is a student's name. Walaikum Assalam. When it is disconnected within the time period, then you have to join again. What is the delay in it? Speak a bit louder. Speak a bit louder. It's not. Your voice is not audible at all. Hmm. Amin Huda. Yes. Name the parts of a fleshy fruit. Yes. Mantasha, I ask you. Mantasha. Hmm. Yes. Okay. Yes. Exocarp, endocarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. You all are disturbing the class way much. It is difficult to teach like this. Everybody want to speak. Everybody want to give answer. It's not like this. What are you speaking? Even I'm not able to get because everybody is speak at the same time. Now I move to the next. What do you get? This action that is long answer question and raise your hand. Don't speak in between. Draw a label diagram of a flower and briefly describe each part. Here you have to draw the diagram and you have to describe all the four parts, all the four words. So four words are. You just Isma, tell me the name of the word, and those words you have to explain. Means like explain, describe in the notebook. Yes. Just now, where were you? Yes, of course. Yes, Isma, are you telling? Khizr, you tell me. Yes. me quickly. Hmm? Hmm? Calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. What is difficult in it? Four valves are calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. So in this question, you have to draw the label diagram as well as you have to explain all four valves of flower. You have to describe all part. The next question explain how pollination is possible between two flowers born on two different apple trees in a garden. Name any two agents that would be able to pollinate such flower. So answer. Yes. Animals and wind. Insects come in the animals only. Insects, animal means in the animal category only the insects come. So you do two agents, animals and the wind. And how is it possible? Because of the agents only, the two different agents. Yes, two different agent make the pollination possible into different plants. Means they can be animals, they can be wind. How? How the pollination take place with the help of the agents only. Agent carry the pollen grain from one flower to another flower, and then the pollination means the pollination can be possible due to the agents only. Agent carry the pollen grain from anther to the stigma. Got it? Now the next question explain how fertilization takes place after the pollen grain land on the stigma of the receiving flower. Here you have to explain the process of fertilization means after the pollination what sorry yes after the pollination what happened, how it germinate the pollen tube and then how it the male gamete moves in the pollen tube and then it reaches to the ovule and then the tip of the pollen tube is burst and they release both the male gametes in the ovule. One is fused with the egg, one is fused with the polar nuclei. This all you have to explain, and here you have to draw the diagram also. Now the next question, how are fruits and seeds formed? Yes, raise your hand. How are the seeds and fruits are formed? Hmm? Yes. Yes. Hmm. Fine. Yes. Describe now the next question. Describe the different part of a fleshy fruit. Here you have to explain all three parts. What are the three parts? Yes, exocarp, mesocarp, and endocarp, all three part you have to explain there. Now the last question with the help of a label diagram, explain the structure of a typical dicot seed. Here you have to draw the structure of the dicot seed and you explain the different part of the seed. Okay. Now the time is over and the class I'm going to end, and here the homework is to complete all the question answers and exercises, and you have to post the work on the app. Okay. What? Keep your video off. What is the timing? Means what? I have given you 1 week. In 1 week you can. In 1 week you can post anytime. क्या जानवर वाली जिंदगी उठा ली है? क्या सुबह उठे नहीं वक्त पे, देर से उठे हैं तब भी मोबाइल, देर से उठे हैं तब भी टेंशन, देर से उठे हैं तब भी लड़ाई। अरे भाई वजू करो, नमाज पढ़ो, कज़ा ही पढ़ लो, कज़ा पढ़ लो, नहीं तुम अदा के वक्त पे उठे तो कज़ा नमाज पढ़ के कुरान के दो दो रुकू तो पढ़ लो। जहाँ इतनी देर उठते हो 10-15 मिनट नमाज कुरान को दे दो, तुम्हारा दिन तो प्रोडक्टिव हो जाएगा, तुम्हारे दिन का तो जो शैतान गायब हो जाएगा। दिन में जो शैतान पूरे दिन तुम्हारे सिर पे सवार रहता है वो तो तुम सही हो जाओगे। कह कह के जुबान थक गई है, अब कल से तुम्हें मैं यही देखूंगी। और तुमने आज ऐसे नए तरीके से एक्सटेंशन लगाया है कि इंसान को अंदाजा उस वाली तार का है, वहां देख के चलता है, यहाँ नहीं देख के चलता। पहले खाला गिराते गिराते बची, 2 बार उन्हें टोक दिया।
मैंने सिर्फ पास कर दिया था।
तो यही तो गलत किया ना, अपनी आसानी करी तुमने, पूरी तार निकाल के वहां लगा देती या छोटा वाला एक्सटेंशन दे देती। एक तो मेरा ये चार्जर बच गया, ये क्या काम है? दोनों बार इसके बल ही गिरा है वो दोनों, और इसमें रिकॉर्डिंग में अलग आवाज आ गई है इतनी तेज।